How are you?
What are you people doing here?
Unajua nini? Wewe wacha maneno yako kwa manyoko. Huh? What are you doing here?
Leave it. Mark, you not very clear, dear. What are you doing here? I'm asking you.
You are destroying this place. Have you seen? This one, the tree, you are the one who planted it. Eh?
So
you're the one who planted it.
And you're still making sense.
My friend, where? Tell me what. I just have my phone.
What are you doing here? I'm asking you. What are you doing here? You're still fencing. You're still cutting our trees. Stop these people immediately. You come and stop them. Stop them immediately. Why are you still fencing here? You guys, why are you fencing here? So you are cutting our trees, right? No, you are sorry.
No, just leave that things. Yeah?
Are you not seeing it? Now you see what you are doing.
Wait, don't run. First come back here. Why are you running? Hey, first come back. Don't run. Come back here. What is wrong with you guys? You're destroying the trees. Eh? Have you seen? Eh? Please, wait. You come back here. Hey, come back here. You're running, eh? You're running, eh?
Why are you fencing? You're cutting already.
Please, you know what happened here. Please.
We are telling you to go. You don't want to go. What are you doing?
You are destroying our trees. Have you seen?
You're working for who?
This one is not for him. What is wrong with you guys? Eh? You leave this place now. Leave it. You go. It's okay, go.
Go away from here. We don't want to see you here. You're cutting our trees. Go away from here.
Banyankole.
Go away from here. Very stupid. Idiot people.
We are cutting the trees. But for us, Acholi, we don't cut the trees. We don't want Banyankole in our area here.